If you encounter a pending payment issue on Shopify, you can take the following steps to resolve it. Check payment status. First, confirm whether the payment is genuinely pending or if it's a temporary delay due to processing time. Sometimes, payments can take a bit longer to process, especially if there are high volumes or if additional verification is required. Contact payment provider. If the payment remains pending for an extended period, reach out to your payment provider to inquire about the status. They can provide insights into any issues or delays with the transaction. Review Shopify settings. Ensure that your Shopify settings are configured correctly for payment processing. Check your payment gateway settings, payment methods, and any relevant configurations to verify that everything is set up properly. Check for errors. Review your Shopify admin dashboard for any error messages or notifications related to the pending payment. These alerts can provide clues about the underlying issue and help you troubleshoot more effectively. Contact Shopify support. If you're unable to resolve the pending payment issue on your own, contact Shopify's customer support for assistance. They can investigate the problem further, provide guidance, and escalate the issue if necessary to resolve it promptly.